So before this video gets started, I want to tell you guys about an awesome new way to start making money on TikTok Shop, okay? TikTok Shop is a new program where people can buy and sell products right in TikTok. So when people are scrolling all day, they can buy stuff, but you can also make money selling products. And as you can see right here, I made over $1,000 in a single day on TikTok Shop. And if you want to learn exactly how to set up your own TikTok Shop page, I have a link below and you can join my program. You don't need to show your face, you don't need a following, and you don't need experience. And for a limited time right now, you can sign up and get a free trial and try it out. Join our group chat where we are discussing exactly how to set up your own TikTok Shop page so you can start earning thousands of dollars a month. This was me in the past month that I made over $4,000 on TikTok Shop. And on this one, in the past week, over $2,500. This is my TikTok Shop Seller Center. This is, in my opinion, the easiest way for anybody to start making money with no following, no experience. And the best part is it's completely drop shipping, so you don't need to deal with any inventory or shipping any product. Doing TikTok and YouTube absolutely changed my life and allowed me to buy my dream house here in Southern California that I'm sitting in right now. So if you want to learn how to set up your own TikTok Shop store and start making money, check out the link below. I would love to see you there. And remember, the first 100 people get a free trial, and that will be ending very, very soon. We're talking about Uber's bonuses, Uber promotions, guys. Uber's launching bonuses for drivers. Do you think this is good enough, though? That's the question. You want to read this?
Yeah, so when you choose to drive on the Uber platform, you may be eligible for certain promotions. In-app promotions are based on when we expect the most trip requests in your area. Promotions vary by state, and not all promotions are available to all drivers. Learn how each promotion works and how you can earn extra with them.
So there's Quest and Quest Boost.
Okay, yeah, this is how promotions work. So for Quest, you can earn extra by completing a certain number of trips over multiple days. So for example, it says a driver could earn extra $100 for completing 30 trips over 3 days, or an extra $150 for completing 45 trips over 4 days.
Do you think that's worth it?
No.
That's 30 trips. I mean, that's an extra $100. That's almost $3 bonus.
So it's 10 trips a day.
Yeah.
But it's going to take up like a good chunk of your day. If you're already doing this full time, then sure, but
yeah.
Okay, then they have Boost Plus, earn extra for completing trips that begin in a specific area.
They're trying to control you guys. They're trying to say, you gotta stay in this area. Oh, don't go outside this area. We're not gonna pay you at the Boost Plus.
Yeah. So, yeah, it says you can look in the blue zones on the map, and you can sign up to participate until 1 hour before the session starts.
Do you think they're trying to make you do rides in busy areas or rides where they're not busy areas because they need more drivers there? And then it's difficult to hit those bonuses because there's not that many rides there.
Oh my God, sorry. Can you hear the dog?
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. So do you guys think that that's worth it? And what do you guys, what's your experience been with Boost Plus? Like, do you find that it's busier in those blue zones or less busy? And that by the time you get there, the earnings or bonuses are gone?